Hello and welcome to Osaka Famous Spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor, Mr. Doi, and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today, I will talk to you about the Glico Sign in Dotonbori. The Glico Sign in Dotonbori is one of Osaka's most famous landmarks. It's a large advertisement for Ezaki Glico, a Japanese snack company. The first Glico sign was put up in 1935. Over time, the design has changed, but it remains a popular symbol of Osaka. The current sign is the sixth version and was updated in 2014 with LED lights. The sign shows a man in a white running shorts crossing the finish line with his arms raised. The design comes from the Glico message. Eating Glico caramel gives you enough energy to run 50 meters in 5 seconds. Many tourists enjoy taking photos in the front of the sign while copying the running pose. Recently, the sign changed for the special event for hours or sports celebrations. For example, when Osaka sports team wins a championship, the color was signed many match the team's uniforms. At night, the sign light up beautiful along with the neon lights of Dotonbori, creating a lively atmosphere. The Glico sign is easy to access. It's a short walk from number station on the Osaka Metro Midosuji, Yotsubashi, and Sennichi-mae lines. When visiting Osaka, be sure to take a picture in front of the Glico sign and enjoy the city's energetic vibe. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.